Hello YouTube. Now I'm showing you how by plug can create my own form blue play instead lo by plug was kim all nara plug creating form and this lab by helping me play. Now you look at me open in Excel so Microsoft Access now me open enter data step. Enter data insert all image or get something lo Microsoft Access. Time me press him submit now data I'm going inside there. I'm going inside now. You need to refresh him this last, so me refresh him time now. I'm looking data blow this last sumatin come up. Okay, now I'm making enter him narapa data blow narapa sumatin or any person you like enter him data blame go lo business or company I'm making him insert him image blame too. I'm going inside finish. You click him submit now. I'm data I'm going inside lo Microsoft Access finish. In time you refresh him, data come up. You look him. So now we may enter a month again now by look him. Or before this line, you can search and tap. Low button and tap people can look him. You can search now get a data back come up. Now you may enter a month again. Data blue this line. Man or Mary, you like enter him go inside him information blame go inside insert him photo blame again. Time you insert him I'm done. Okay, you submit him now. You press him submit button that I'm going inside finish them. Refresh him now. I'm data stop inside loom MS Access now. So now you can go scroll through, go forward or next previous button you can make him awesome. You look him. This let me by letting me play. Now me introduce him. Me got kind of ways. One play Microsoft Access now me show me play. You may exit now by me go through Excel. Okay, you may go open him Excel now. Excel form come up. Time you click him this button yellow button now. Form him come up. Excel now. Access finish now. Now I'm Excel. Okay, now me like enter him on him name blue information blue any person now. Date of birth by looking most age and automatically come up. Na province me select him time me click him button upload photo now me can choose him select him photo bro this la man or Mary. Now time me click him submit now. Look it that I'm going inside lo Excel sheet. I'm go finish. So I'm data blow on pla man or Mary you like enter him. Okay, now I'm next person number come up. Look him I'm female Nancy. Information details blame me enter him go inside. Time me click in province submit upload in photo. Now time me click him submit now I'm looking data I'm going inside finish. Okay, low Excel. You can scroll through go low next previous by using spin button. And by mail me plan lo come up in this like an form so by plan on up more schema narrow. Next page below YouTube you can press him all buttons now by go YouTube but no papers blue me lo this la so suppose you like him lo line him and by me show him lo code time blame but this la now me make him introduction. Next form me use him Visual Studio time me click him this la button me publish him finish so by check him data blow sumatin all ask him now me make him data blow lena look him you can change him form color. Now color perform him go red. Now you can go lo Explorer, you can search lo Google, WhatsApp. Now you come lo view now. Menu item view now. More get a data blow sumatin start finish. You can enter him data now you can look him lo view view menu by. Now you get sections section A, section B, section C na D. So this little sections now blow sumatin 1 section A can say personal details. So you can enter him data blow you can look him. Now this line date picker may be new sim. It's automated. You can click him na insert him date of birth plus sumatin na age blame and by calculate him automatically so no can be slow calculate him age low yet. You enter him denomination home district LLG home province and use him combo box me talk pa mi line him lo this la kind so planti mi lo Papua New Guinea mi no sarlo come up in kind of form so meeting him now by me help him to come up him so suppose you interest you can subscribe na behind him all steps by me explain him lo talk pisine. Okay, now look at me go to section B emi putim status blo disla sumatin na class disla sumatin register le em 9 example na admission number you can automate disla by go you click tasol admission number bakama batem mi putim tasol show me plalo example tasol but me like me plalo subscribe now me by looks how me plalo like me lo can she go through lo disla so by me can go through na grade okay amount at 200 kina na time you put my amount to pay him now outstanding him automatically by appear lo outstanding text view there now display by teaching copy below students declaration form but you know that for me example that's also I'm using when I'm a keyboard that's also showing also declaration form. Now after you finish him one more step you know been enter him or uploading photo below this something so time you look at me pressing this button below upload now we can choose him select him image plus something put him now time press him submit now that time go finish here information to top pisine now you can go na go view confirm him your data data blue direct here direct go finish this like kind so you can it's flexible grid view and flexible you can adjust him columns and this like kind by looking all information good and this la you can go na go class below 11 you can go na this la you go class below 11 by data by convert go Excel so no need lo you by can also matin ba come sign up time below registration or by come sign up na about 9 10 11 or 12 you can enter him data below but this la software made by sort him out lo class so you look him now I'm generating Excel sheet now below 9 tasol and me make him example you can 9 sheet him come up below up so me exit him this la past time now but me show him apply okay time me click him Excel now by looking data below 9 class and come up finish this la software by filter him tasol na classes below 11 grade now by display lo here data below finish below Visual Studio 4+1 me using PowerShell Windows PowerShell and me make him coding below Notepad finish now me execute him command below inside Windows PowerShell now form come up here code me make him finish here so this la dot / user form .ps1 PowerShell 1 now look at form come up again this la but this la no effective too much but also one road lo come up in form you got another road lo come up in form can you by using Java Windows Builder one time MySQL database management system na you get online forms too by me showing me but you me go through this la 4+ time finish now you like see my idea finish by me go through Java by me using Eclipse IDE by me using Oracle or MySQL now by me looking data where I can start online that's all now you plus a looking time you plus a go space here internet now plus like searching forms here forms also come up online and by me showing me plus how people can come up him na all web pages here and by me go to lo but lo now me as me talk by me go to lo simple ones that's all now behind and by me go to lo advanced ones na by plus clear one time this la suppose you plus ultimation interest lo you please no can use thing lo subscribe so that me by sao se this la content me upload make him effective na need block contribute me to suppose me look me plus subscribe na comment one time this la you got nice day.